Battery's one dead, but this point's frozen here. It's real cold today. It's like 7 out. But look at this Amos. It's got a base neck, but I'm getting this one restored. I'm gonna have to get it out. I'll show you in a minute. This is an awesome find, folks. Look, it's just frozen. Oh, there it is, look. All right, look at that ice on this sucker. Folks, I don't even know what to say on this one. I'm sorry, my battery's on 0, so if the clips stink on this video, look at this. There's the ice. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm gonna get this one restored. It's awesome. It's a big Amos. I'll get it cleaned up and show pictures later. All right, I got this point back today in the mail. I got it restored by etchedinstone.com. You can see the website there. Keith Etchison, he's in Maryland. This guy's just a master. I can't even believe how nice this point looks. You can't even tell it's restored. But there's the paper. He gives you a paper too. Talks about how he has 35 years experience, and this guy's very knowledgeable. He's looking at points from all over the United States and restoring them accurately, the way they should look. And you can't even tell. I can't. It's a 10 stars, double thumbs up. But this is large for the type. See how big it is. It's a local river cobble chert. See, he has that there on the paper too, and you can see the age, 10,000 years old. You know, that's right at transitional paleo, pretty much. And as old as that site in Turkey, Göbekli Tepe. Wow, look at that point. You can't even tell. There wasn't much missing, but to have this restored to go in my Amos point frame with the certificate, and right there's verification from an expert, 10,000 years old, folks. That is unbelievable. 10,000 years ago, there was 5 to 6 million people on the entire planet. That is the population of like Los Angeles right now, today. In the whole planet, there was only that many people, and I have these pieces made by some of them 5 to 6 million people. Wow, this is just beautiful, folks. This is a beautiful, beautiful point. And if you have artifacts that a little's missing and you found them, and you have other stuff from the site, I'd check this guy out. Right here's his address and his email right there below that picture, and right there's his website. Look at this point, folks. Alright, I thought I better do this. These are all recent finds, and if you go back in my videos, you can see just literally hundreds of these serrated points that are 10,000 years old that I found. I show the majority of my collection. I still have a couple frames I haven't shown ever, but I've shown most of them. These are all recent ones. They're all 10,000 year old points, and these were all found in the past like 45 or 50 days, I would guess. They're all real old points except this, and this is off a different site. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I've been digging in a dump today. But this is a smoker. That one was found in December. This beautiful tan one here is the first point I found in 2019. How can you go wrong with that? Look at it, 10,000 years old. But the reason why I showed them, look how much bigger that Amos is than the other ones. It's a big one. It's one of the biggest ones of all time, and I've been looking for them for 30 years. You can look at them in the overstreet too. When you look at them in the overstreet, you look at them in the actual size, and the biggest one in the overstreet's about that big. So this might be one of the largest ones ever found that is known. They're just usually about, I think the longest one I have is about like that, but just look at this. That's just a work of art, folks. And there's some other ones. You can go back and watch me find every point in this frame on videos on my channel. Every one of them. So there you go. This point too, you look at it being 10,000 years old, look at these fluting channels. You call them basal thinning strikes, but it's almost like it's fluted. Look at that. I talked about that when I found it too. It's just, man, them are long ones. There you go, folks. Later.